Perfex Corporation is your trusted supplier of contamination control products for over 95 years. Introducing the all-new TruCLEAN ProLite Mop Frame. Ultra-lightweight hybrid design manufactured from high-grade aluminum and stainless steel, the ProLite Mop Frame was designed to increase efficiency and improve cleaning results. Easy Glide lightweight device provides enhanced maneuverability. Low-profile design reduces back stress while cleaning hard-to-reach areas. Swivel frame maintains total surface contact in any position and includes angle lock for easy cleaning of high surface areas. TruCLEAN ProLite Mop Frame is ideal for use on floors, walls, and ceilings in clean room environments. Changing mop heads is effortless with our quick-release frame locking mechanism. Squeeze the semicircular cutouts to collapse. Replace mop head, expand frame until clicks into place, ready for use. Fully compatible with gamma ethylene oxide and autoclave sterilization. Stop struggling with heavy and outdated flat mops. Simplify standard operating procedures and clean like a pro with the new TruCLEAN ProLite Mop Frame. TruCLEAN Mopping Systems by Perfex, the innovators of clean room sanitation. For more information, visit perfex.com.